Why is a sneeze so explosive? Your brain triggers it to blast germs and dust out. Air rushes through your nose at 100 miles per hour. It's like a hurricane inside your sinuses. The force is so strong it makes your heart skip a beat. It's a violent reset button for your respiratory system. It clears your airways instantly. It even resets the environment in your nose. But sometimes the signal gets crossed. Looking at bright light triggers the same reflex. The optic nerve confuses the brain. It accidentally fires the sneeze command. 35% of people have this photic sneeze reflex. It's a weird glitch between your eyes and your nose. So cover your mouth and enjoy the reset. Let us know in the comments which body secret you want to see decoded next.